everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is interviewing things you need to know about the Goliath grouper fish. Being extremely large saltwater fish, Goliath groupers are found in shallow tropical waters abundant with coral and artificial reefs. Also, they are the largest known species in the sea bass family. Here's enlisting some must-known Goliath grouper facts. Take a look. Suited for human consumption. The fish's meat contains a high level of methyl mercury, making it unfit for human consumption. Goliath groupers are found in the eastern as well as western Atlantic Ocean. In the western half, they exist in the water of the Florida Keys, Bahamas, and the coast of Brazil. In the eastern half, they range from Congo to Senegal. The facts that interviewing facts about the Goliath grouper. Goliath groupers can grow as big as 8.2 feet in length and half as wide. Their weight ranges from 180 to a maximum of 360 kilos. Coming to their shape, they are stocky, have broad heads, and teeny eyes. The pectoral and tail fins are rounded, whereas the dorsal fins are contracted along the backs. These fish could either be dull green or gray or dark yellow to brown. They have multiple dark spots on their head, body, and fins. Jellyfin are mostly tiny and have dark bands and blottage. Goliath groupers are known by several names including Atlantic Goliath grouper, black bass, Ionian grouper, giant sea bass, etc. In spite of their huge size, these fish feed on crustaceans, small bite fish, and slow-moving poisonous fish like catfish, pufferfish, cowfish, etc. Also, despite its sharp teeth, it swallows the prey whole. The Goliath grouper is especially prone to overfishing due to its large size, slow growth rate, curious and fearless nature, and low reproductive rate. These fish were considered a delicacy prior to receiving a critically endangered status. Scientists believe that Goliath groups have a very long lifespan, and they may live for even 100 years. However, the highest known age is 37 years. These fish are solitary and territorially is nature. Also, they don't move a lot and are also glued to reefs, corals, and rocks in shallow waters, except during the swarming seas. It is believed that, like most groupers, Goliaths are protogenicals, hermaphrodites. This refers to organisms who are born female and undergo a sexual transformation at some point later in their lives. The Goliath grouper was traditionally referred to as jawfish, but the American Fisheries Society banned the use of this term as it sounded critically insensitive. Related post. Do fish sleep? Most fish sleep, but is it the way